Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down automotive fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into video 912, how to fix an engine misfire in 2025. If your car is shaking, sputtering, or the check engine light is glaring at you like an angry boss, you're probably dealing with an engine misfire. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and with the right steps, you can fix it yourself and save some cash. First off, let's quickly understand what an engine misfire is. It happens when one or more cylinders in your engine fail to ignite properly, often due to problems with spark, fuel, or air. In 2025, with more advanced vehicles, this could be linked to sensors or even hybrid systems, so staying updated is key. To start, grab your tools: an OBD2 scanner, a set of spark plug sockets, and basic hand tools. Safety first. Always work in a well-ventilated area, wear gloves, and disconnect the battery to avoid any shocks. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Plug in your OBD2 scanner to read the error codes. Common codes for misfires include P0300 for random misfire or P0301 for cylinder 1. This will point you in the right direction. Step 2. Inspect the spark plugs. Remove them using your socket set and check for wear, fouling, or gaps. If they're damaged, replace them. It's often the simplest fix. While you're at it, examine the ignition coils and wires for cracks or corrosion. Step 3. Check for fuel issues. Ensure your fuel injectors are clean and the fuel pressure is adequate. You might need a fuel pressure gauge for this. Also, look for vacuum leaks by spraying carb cleaner around hoses and intakes. If the engine revs up, you found a leak. Finally, after making repairs, clear the error codes with your scanner and test drive the car. If the misfire persists, it could be something more complex like a faulty ECU, so consider taking it to a professional. There you have it. Fixing an engine misfire doesn't have to be a nightmare. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Drive safe, and we'll see you next time.